Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we're gonna do a little small strawberry harvest, and then we're gonna prune our strawberry plants. If you're new to the channel, go ahead on and hit that subscribe button, thumbs up the video. If you're already a part of the family, you know we do this for you. Yeah, it's a lot of pollen out here, so that's why I'm looking crazy. And then I got my mask on, so I hope y'all can hear me in this video. So let's jump right on into it. Okay guys, for starters, I got alcohol in here. And then I got my little scissors. And we're just gonna spray a little alcohol on the scissors to clean them. Since we will be pruning the strawberry plants today. Okay guys, now it's not a lot of strawberries that will be taken off, but if you do not go ahead and harvest your strawberries, bugs will get them, birds will get them, and everything in between. So it's best to just take them on off. But the main important thing I'm out here for with the strawberries today is to get rid of the parts that are dying. You guys can see that. Or, you know, some of the flower heads that don't look too healthy. A few leaves that don't look too healthy. If you guys can see this one right here, most of all of it has died from the transplant. But it's already starting to grow back new leaves. So we're going to pretty much take all of this off except these two new leaves. So let's jump right on into it, guys. I hope you guys can see. Just taking off what doesn't look healthy. See the little berry. It's no good, no good. Y'all excuse the noise in the background. I got my son cleaning out the food trailer because I have an event coming up. And I hope you guys can hear me because I do have my mask on. Now, I didn't take off that stem on that one because it's new. But I took off the flower head because ain't no way there would have been a good strawberry. Like the plant itself is stressed. That's why we cutting everything off. That's why the strawberries look like that. Didn't get big on those. And we left with this. The crown is still open. Never cover your crowns up, y'all. Okay, then we're going to move right along to this one. And we're just taking off everything that looks stressed or dead. Keep them bugs at bay. When everything is nice and clean and see, Can y'all see that? That wasn't going to do good, so we take it on off. Because, I mean, the first thing is a healthy plant. There is no sense of thinking of a harvest until you are for sure that your plants are healthy. See, look at that. Nothing was going to come of that. So we just getting in here, cleaning it all up. Cleaning it all up. The way to have a better chance at giving us a good harvest. See how it's black inside of there? It's not green. So that was just a waste of energy, so to speak. Okay, guys. Give me a couple of ticks and let me finish cleaning everything up, and then I will come back and do the harvest with you guys. Okay, guys. I have finally finished pruning the strawberries. The only ones I left, well, I skipped that one. I need to get that one off. But I left the ones that are kind of green. Like how that one is yellow. It'll turn green. Or ones that are already green. See, we got a lot of new growth. We got new flowers coming. So, like I said, taking off all that bad stuff. I mean, it's going to keep coming. And these are ever bearing. I only have one June bearing. And that's the one over there. We'll get to that towards the end of the video. But yes, I took off all the horrible looking stuff. And I only left the ones that look like they had a little hope. Y'all probably can't see that, but it's actually green. So that will be a strawberry. Yeah. And make sure when you pruning, you spray alcohol as many times you can remember on your scissors or shears. Okay, so let's take a few of these strawberries off. Okay, how do we know the strawberries are ready? We know the strawberries are ready. I hope y'all can hear me because I got this mask on. We know the strawberries are ready because we can smell strawberries. That's number one. Number two, the shiny gloss. Now, we have a little white left at the top, but that's why I'm going to cut it to about here. Because once they start turning red, you have to kind of check them every day. Every day. Because if you wait a few days, you come back, they done became too soft, bugs everywhere on them, you know, and bugs everywhere. So you got to kind of check them every day once you start noticing a little redness on it. Now, it's supposed to rain here. It's cloudy today. We don't really have no sun out today. So I know I won't be out here the next couple of days. So that's why I'm going to cut it and leave a little stem. We know that's not ready. That's not ready. It's a small one, but it's ready, guys. See how that is? It'll be ready in about 3 days. 3-4 days. Once you start seeing the red come, it just get redder and redder by the day. Same with this one. Now this one is fully red. So we're going to take that baby on off. I would have got rid of that, but I'm going to leave it. It's just going to be a little small berry, just like this one. This one is a little stressed. That's why it's limp like this. But we have some new growth. As long as we have new growth, it's balancing out. It's okay. Okay. This one here got some days left on it. Y'all get the picture. So that's what I said. The little flower will turn green, and then you get a little strawberry. I might have to water them because ain't no telling what time it's gonna rain. I said I'm done buying strawberries, y'all. I'm gonna just be praying for me some runners, and I print my runners, and before you know it, the whole bed will be filled with strawberries. Okay, see that little baby? But it's ready, so you gotta get them on off of there. See, that's about another day. See how shiny it is? It's basically ready. This one, about 2 more days. But I'm going to take it off anyway. Because like I said, I won't be out here. This one is ready. Okay, guys. So, this is what we have so far. Now, I am going to try one of these berries for y'all. But y'all know I got to rinse it off first. I don't even play like that. Okay, now let's look at my June berry. And it's just so luscious and beautiful. And this is the one from last year, y'all. And so you can see that it's turning green. That's what I meant about the ones in the bed. And so is that one. The bloom is falling off of it. This is just beautiful. That's got to come off. It's ready. The soil's super wet from all the rain. Okay, guys, give me a couple of ticks and let me get some of these berries off of this one. Okay, guys, this is the last berry on the June berry and strawberries. I might just leave them in the pot. There's a lot of new growth down there. Take this one off for you guys. Y'all have to share it. Okay. Can y'all hear that? It's squeaky, squeaky. That's how you know your berries are ready. Vibrant. Silky. So this is all I got out the June berries. The other ones, I threw those over here in my little pile for the compost. And these are the everberry. The June berry. They look more juicier. More sweeter. Because the redder they are, the sweeter they are. And this is the everberry. They got that little squeegee sound. Okay guys, so that's gonna be the end of me harvesting and pruning the strawberry patch. I can't wait till I get my runners. I mean, I can't wait because once they start coming, this little 4x4 will be filled up in no time. But I can't wait to have the fullness of it. But yes guys, I'm finna go in here and I'm finna wash one of each, one June berry and one everberry off, and taste them for you guys. You guys go ahead on and thumbs up the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Share this video if you would like. Leave your comments down in the comment section. That's from the alcohol, y'all. So while I'm rinsing these off, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Okay family, June berry and strawberry first, washed of course. That was good, y'all. I'm happy. Okay. Honey. Everberry and strawberry. Now, with this one, it needed about another day. But let's get it popping. June berries are more sweeter. The everberry is sweet. It's a little firmer because it needed about a day or so left on it. But this tastes like the berries that we always eat here. So keep her. Ain't nothing wrong with a little mixture. A little variety. I hope you guys enjoy the strawberry harvest. Hold on, y'all. Cause y'all can tell my sinuses toe up, my face all puffy. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video on pruning the strawberries. And my first little small strawberry harvest. So, like I said, thumbs up the video, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already. More videos coming for you guys. More good videos coming. Informative videos coming. So, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.